There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, just showing what I got. In this video, you're going to see an oil can. I got this one, which is apparently, this one's West Germany, it says. Yeah, it says West Germany on the bottom, doesn't say anything else. I know it works, is when I was in the antique place that I bought it at. I squeezed the handle and oil flew out of it all over the place. I kind of didn't mention that to the lady when I purchased it. This one says Globe Master, made in USA. This is another one I bought. It's pretty cool. I had to clean them off. I think they put them in a, the lady put them in a nice like blue plastic bag because they don't really do well in the car upside down. They had a nice Eagle one, but the problem, yeah, I paid $8 for these each. It wasn't cheap. I mean, it wasn't expensive, but they had a nice Eagle one, which was pretty cool, but it was missing the tip, and I wasn't sure if I can get the tip for it. But yeah, these are my oil cans. I don't know why I collect oil cans. Probably because they're like, what, under $10 these things. So every time you see one or two, a nice one, I pick them up. I'm sure somebody out there needs an oil can, and they can't find them because I own like, what, 5 or 6 of these now? So, but, who cares, right? Y'all got your little things. I'm probably going to have to make a shelf, put them all on. Some way to like display them or whatever, but they're pretty cool. Nice little oil cans. They're easier. They show up better on the camera than that frickin' Vice I had in the last video. But see, I bought them. I'll probably oil them. They work good. They pump good. I always check to see if they work good. Even then, it's fun. I don't buy rusty ones because I'm not doing an oil can restoration video ever. Sorry. Not gonna do it. Anyway, that's it for the oil cans. And again, check out the people I have listed below, friends of mine. They have links to their videos below. Also, if you're wondering why I'm doing short little videos, my internet sucks. My upload speed is terrible, so shorter videos, the easier it is for me. So about between 3 and 6 minutes is the gift that what I give you. So enjoy, like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and if you like my channel, you like my channel. If you don't, well, hey, I can't force you. But thanks for watching. Bye.